Hey guys, this is Sahil, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can use Chrome's IndexedDB as a vector database slash vector store. So for those of you that don't know what IndexedDB is, it's basically Chrome's local storage. So I'm on Amazon here. As you can see, Amazon's just storing some data about us. And yeah, IndexedDB is just a really cool data store, but today we're going to use it as a vector database. So here's a basic UI I made. The code will be attached below, but yeah, I'm gonna copy and paste his Wikipedia article about dogs. And let me just open up my DevTools and go to console log. But yeah, this is 109 kilobytes, and it looks like it vectorized in just a few seconds. So that's pretty cool. That was obviously a lot of text. And this is all happening locally, other than the embeddings part, which is kind of cool. But yeah, now we can search for some documents. So let's just say, what is a canine? And yeah, it returns all this. Returns 6 documents, so that's pretty cool. And we can just be like, when were dogs domesticated? Yeah. So this is part of a super cool NPM package that I found a couple days ago. Called vector storage. I'll link it below. But yeah, the documentation is super easy to follow through, and yeah, so I'm just gonna go over the code real quick and show you guys some of the functions. So yeah, I have a few states here. I have the API key. Don't worry, it's gonna be revoked after this video. But the cool thing about vector storage, or one of the cool things, is that you don't have to embed the text yourself. You just provide the key, and then it embeds the texts sort of um, within the package itself. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, just a few helper functions like chunk text. I know people have come up with all sorts of chunking strategies. I just decided to go with the basic character or chunk size overlap one. That's what you want to call it. But yeah, just there's this add texts function which essentially allows you to bulk add vectors, just one function. So that's super helpful. And you can add metadata as well. So I added timestamps. And here's the similarity search function right here. So it takes in query, number of things you want returned, and then there's another filter options. I haven't played around with this, but I could imagine if you add other metadata here for whatever data you want to vectorize, um, you can sort of filter pretty automatically. So that's super cool. And yes, this UI will be below. Um, but yeah, and another cool thing about IndexedDB, or at least within this package, is like if I reload a bunch, this data is still gonna be here. So it's all still here. And actually, let me show you guys something else. So if I do this, obviously this is not open right now, and I just hit npm run dev again. Uh, and yeah, the documents are all still there, and I can still vectorize and search. Another cool thing is if I go here, I copy and paste the same text in. Yeah, the number of vectors didn't change at all. Yeah, so it automatically handles uniqueness within the text. So I guess it just rejects that. So that's super cool that it's handled automatically. Maybe some custom sort of handling of that could be added, but still super neat. But yeah, that's just a basic overview about how this vector storage package can be used to make a vector store directly within IndexedDB. And it's probably very easy to add a chatbot to this um, and sort of do it like that. I don't know how much data IndexedDB will support on this. I tried vectorizing my entire Gmail, which is 23 megabytes of data, so a lot of data. And yeah, I was doing it in an Electron application, so maybe that's why, but it didn't work perfectly. Um, so yeah, but just a super cool package, and definitely play around with it and let me know if you have any questions or feedback in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.